Want to boost your MSI laptop's performance? Upgrading the SSD and RAM are two of the most effective ways. This video will guide you through the process, covering compatibility, installation, and key considerations. Keep in mind that upgradability varies significantly between MSI models, especially between gaming, workstation models, and ultrabooks. Before upgrading your MSI laptop, assess whether your specific model supports upgrades. Start by checking your laptop's manual or MSI's official website for detailed specifications. Different MSI laptop models vary in upgradability. Gaming and workstation models like the GE series typically allow more upgrades, while thin and light models like the Summit series often have soldered components that limit changes. To find compatible SSD and RAM modules, use tools like Crucial Advisor. These tools scan your system and recommend parts that match your laptop's specifications. Finally, ensure the new components match your laptop's chipset, whether it's Intel or AMD, to avoid compatibility issues. Most MSI laptops use DDR4 or DDR5 SO-DIMM modules for RAM upgrades. Always check your model's specifications to determine the correct RAM type and speed, such as DDR4 3200 or DDR5 5600+. To access the RAM slots, remove the bottom panel of your laptop. Ground yourself using an anti-static wrist strap to prevent electrostatic discharge from damaging components. Insert the RAM modules at a 45-degree angle into the slots until they click securely into place. For optimal performance, use two identical RAM sticks to enable dual-channel mode. Let's consider an MSI GE66 Raider 2024 model. Locate the M.2 slot after opening the laptop. Remove the screw securing the existing SSD. Gently pull out the old SSD and insert the new one, ensuring it's properly seated. Secure it with the screw. Boot the laptop and verify the new SSD is recognized in the BIOS. Then, use cloning software to transfer your operating system and files. For an MSI GE76 Raider 2025, begin by removing the bottom panel to access the internal components. Remove the bottom panel using a screwdriver to reveal the RAM slots and other components. Locate the RAM slots on the motherboard. Press the clips on both sides to release and remove the existing RAM modules. Align the notch on the new RAM module with the notch in the slot. Insert at a slight angle if needed. Press down firmly on both ends until the clips click into place, securing the RAM module. Power on the laptop and check system settings to confirm the full RAM capacity is recognized. Upgrading MSI laptops can sometimes encounter common problems like compatibility issues, failure to boot, and overheating. These usually stem from mismatched components or improper installation. Always double-check component compatibility before buying. Use MSI's configurator or tools like Crucial Advisor to ensure the SSD and RAM match your laptop's specifications, preventing wasted time and money. Ensure the SSD is properly seated in the M.2 slot and the RAM is fully inserted at a 45-degree angle until it clicks into place. Loose components can cause boot failures or instability. Update your BIOS to the latest version available from MSI's support site. This improves compatibility with newer components and can resolve boot issues or performance problems. Reapply thermal paste to the SSD heatsink to ensure proper heat dissipation. This prevents thermal throttling, where high temperatures cause performance to drop under sustained loads. Back up all your important data before starting the upgrade. Use external drives or cloud storage to ensure you don't lose files if the installation encounters issues. Upgrading your SSD can significantly reduce boot times and improve application loading speeds. For example, SSDs can cut Windows boot times from over 50 seconds on traditional hard drives down to just 16 seconds on NVMe drives. RAM upgrades enhance multitasking capabilities, especially for memory-intensive tasks like video editing and gaming. The cost-benefit analysis shows clear performance improvements in gaming and multitasking scenarios. Keep in mind that future trends point towards more integrated designs, potentially limiting upgradability in some models. However, high-end gaming laptops are likely to retain modularity to cater to enthusiast demands.